Everybody likes to eat, but not everybody likes to cook, especially guys. But you know, I spent about 15 years alone. I learned to cook. Actually, I think all men should like to cook because where else can you cut, gut, and play with fire? Well, following you'll see a neat little recipe I threw together. Easy to make and it tastes good. Think you'll enjoy it. All we need for this is number 2 cans of potatoes, chickpeas, and tomatoes. Always sharpen before you cut. I have 2 cloves of garlic here. I'm going to chop very fine. I'm taking some dried basil from the spice rack. I should have used fresh, but it sort of wasn't available. I'm using 1 teaspoonful of the dried basil, and I'm gonna put a little bit of cumin on it. I just like that smoky taste. Now that I have my seasonings ready, I'm gonna open up my chickpeas or garbanzo beans. I use them interchangeably, but I'm gonna dump them out in this bowl here, and then I'm gonna take them to the sink. I'm gonna drain them well. And of course, then I'm going to wash them. Now, I'm not sure exactly why all recipes tell you to drain and wash your garbanzo beans. I can understand draining them, but are they supposed to have foreign particles in there somewhere that I'm supposed to get rid of when I drain them? And I don't know why this is foaming up either. Maybe they had something on the skins. Anyway, now I have them drained, and that's what I want for my dish. Now, the recipe said diced potatoes, but Publix let me down. I had to get these small boys that had been stuffed into a can, and I'll just dice them up with my knife. I add a can of diced tomatoes. Mix it all up. I add about a tablespoonful of olive oil. I don't measure that close. I just guess kind of wanted to cover the bottom of the pan. And I turned it up to high heat so it'd get hot quick, but I didn't want to burn the oil. After the oil is hot, I put in the garlic and spices and cook it until the garlic's a little bit translucent. I add my vegetable mix and stir it to mix well to get even heat. Cover it and let the vegetables get warm, or rather hot, and the flavors sort of fuse together. About 10 minutes or so. I dish it up into a bowl, and it's ready to eat. Pinot Grigio is a good match for this garlicky potatoes and tomatoes and chickpea dish. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. A thumbs up helps my channel grow too. Other videos are available, as you can check out my playlist as well as what's coming up next.